Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can create business emails and Hostinger. What you're going to do is go to the Emails tab, which you can find on the upper part of your screen. As you can see here, I have not availed yet a subscription from Hostinger, but let me just give you a brief instructions. After clicking the email, you will see Setup button beside Set up free email service. Just click that. Click that domain you have created and hit the confirm button. Once you've done that, you will be redirected to setting up an email account page. Enter the email name you want and then enter your password to confirm. After that, click create and there you have it. You have successfully created a business email and Hostinger. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.